This tutorial will show you how to organize projects and write citations in Noodle Tools. Please see the tutorial Register an Account with Noodle Tools on the NSC Library YouTube channel if that is the information that you need. Being assigned the work of creating a works cited list for your college class, also known as a bibliography, is very common. In order to keep your assignments organized, it's a good idea to make a title for your project associated with your assignment. For example, if I need to make a works cited list for my English 101 class, I will title my new project, English 101 Works Cited, Spring 22. I start by clicking the green New Project button at the top of the page and give the title, English 101 Works Cited, Spring 22. I choose MLA as my citation style because that's what English classes use. And then I click on the Advanced button in my citation level. I choose this level because I have some unusual citations to write, and I want to make sure that the level I choose includes directions on how to do that. It is acceptable to use junior at the college level here as well. As I click Submit, it creates my new project for me. I can now see the project title on my list of projects. In order to write a citation, I choose the project that I'm working on by clicking the title. And to start writing my citation, I click on the New Source button at the top of the page. This pop-up menu is asking me questions to try to direct me to the type of source I'm writing the citation for. I choose website because the source I'm citing is something I found on the internet. The website I'm citing is an article written for the online version of a magazine called Mother Jones. Here is a look at my source. If you get stuck on this part of writing the citation, then go ahead and contact us in the library. You can drop by, make an appointment with the librarian online, or use our 24/7 chat for assistance in writing citations. Under website, I choose magazine as my what is it, and now it's time for me to fill in the form Noodle Tools has made for me. I go through the steps, I copy my URL, my most recent date of access is today, I put in the name of the author, which is Eamon Whalen. They don't have any other information there. The article title is this. I can copy and paste that here. This is unapplicable. There's no pages on the online version of the magazine. The name of the magazine is Mother Jones. The volume and the issue are not available on the online version, but the date of publication is February 9th. 2022, and I can also include an annotation if I wanted to do that. I just make a little note to myself, reminding myself what this article is about so I can see it later. And I save it. You can see that my citation is formatted with quotations, with italics, with the date in the correct order, and then even with a hanging indent for both the second half of my citation and for my annotation. I can click Export Print here in order to print this with ease. And also, if it's a part of your assignment, you're able to share this with your classmates as well. Noodle Tools has more useful functions, and if you have follow-up questions, please contact us at the library. We would love to talk to you and help you use this tool. Thank you, and goodbye.